Welcome to Niji Spiral. Today we're going to be looking at coconut jelly recipes. This recipe, you'll be able to make your own squishy coconut jelly. Let's begin with the ingredients. You'll need 200 ml of water, room temperature, 180 grams of caster sugar, 4 tablespoons of gelatin powder, 400 ml of coconut milk or cream, and 400 ml of milk. On the coconut can, please look at the ingredients. Do not buy it if it has stabilizer, emulsifier, or thickener. Now we can begin. Add 4 tablespoons of gelatin powder in a small bowl. Then add 200 ml of water. Stir the mix, then set aside and let the gelatin bloom. Turn the stove to low. Add coconut cream or milk in the pot. Add milk into the pot. Add sugar. Stir until sugar has dissolved. Add the gelatin into the pot. Stir until dissolved. Scoop out the leftover gelatin lumps. Stir a few more times, then turn off the heat. Get your mold and containers ready. I like using a glass box. Silicone molds can be used too. Time to scoop the warm coconut mixture into the container. Put the container in the fridge for minimum 5 hours or overnight. Finally, the end result. So you have cubes from the Portal game and you have a cat face and cat paws. Overall, this jelly is nice and squishy. If you like it more sweet, you can adjust the sugar or you can reduce it if you don't like it as sweet. You can always change the colors by adding food coloring as well. I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's quick and easy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!